Welcome to ClarityGrit, where we break down the psychology of growth, confidence, and self-respect. Let's be real for a second. Weakness doesn't always show up as failure or fear. Sometimes it hides behind normal habits. These habits may appear harmless and even reasonable, but they gradually undermine your discipline, confidence, and ability to take charge of your own life. You don't wake up one morning and suddenly feel weak. It happens quietly, day by day, in ways you barely notice. So let's talk about those habits, the ones that seem innocent but quietly turn you into someone smaller, softer, and more unsure of yourself. Once you recognize these habits, you have the power to break them. The first habit is making excuses disguised as reasons. You know the lines, "I'll start when I have more time. I'm just waiting for the right moment. I would have done it, but things didn't go my way." Sounds logical, right? But every time you say those words, you hand your power to something outside yourself. You train your brain to believe your circumstances control you instead of your choices. Strong people don't always feel motivated, they just act anyway. Weakness grows when you convince yourself that your delay is justified. Think about it. Every time you make an excuse, you get a small hit of relief, but you lose a piece of self-trust. And when you can't trust your word, you start to feel powerless. If you want strength, stop defending your limitations. Start owning your decisions, even the lazy ones. That's where real growth begins. The second habit is avoiding discomfort. This one looks innocent. You say you're just not in the mood. You avoid hard conversations. You stay in your comfort zone because it feels safe. But comfort has a dark side. It slowly erases your edge. It kills your hunger, your courage, and your ability to handle real life. When you avoid discomfort, you're training your mind to believe that peace means avoiding challenge. But peace doesn't come from comfort. It comes from strength. Imagine two versions of you. One faces rejection, failure, and criticism but keeps going. The other avoids pain and calls it self-care. Which one do you think ends up more confident? Discomfort isn't your enemy. It's your teacher. Every moment you push through what's uncomfortable, you prove to yourself that you can handle more than you thought. And that's how you become uncheckable. You post something and keep checking who liked it. You make decisions based on what people will think. You act confident only when others approve. But here's the truth. The more you crave validation, the weaker you become, because you start living for their applause instead of your own standards. When your self-worth depends on other people's reactions, you lose control of it. One insult can ruin your day. One ignored message can make you question your value. That's not confidence, that's emotional dependency. Real strength is quiet. It doesn't need to prove or perform. It comes from knowing who you are, even when no one's watching. The next time you catch yourself chasing approval, stop and ask, would I still do this if nobody clapped for me? If the answer is no, that's not strength. That's needed. The fourth habit is avoiding responsibility. You blame your past. You blame the economy. You blame your parents, your boss, your stress, and your lack of luck. But here's the thing, every time you point fingers, you give your power away. You can't change what you refuse to take ownership of. Strong people don't deny reality. They just refuse to be defined by it. They say, yes, it's hard, but it's still on me. And that mindset changes everything. Because when you take responsibility, you stop being a victim of life and start becoming the author of it. Blame feels comfortable in the moment, but it keeps you weak in the long run. Responsibility feels heavy at first, but it builds strength that nothing can take from you. Weakness doesn't come from lack of strength. It comes from lack of awareness, from normal habits that slowly strip away your confidence, your discipline, and your sense of control. Every time you make an excuse, avoid discomfort, chase validation, or blame others, you chip away at your inner power. But the moment you take ownership, face challenges, and stop seeking approval, you rebuild it. Strength isn't about being fearless. It's about showing up even when you're scared. It's about doing what's right for you, not what feels easy. So ask yourself, which of these habits is holding you back right now? And what would happen if, starting today, you stop feeding them? If this video spoke to you, take a second to reflect before you scroll. Comment below which habit you're ready to break. Give this video a like if it opened your eyes a little. And subscribe for more honest lessons on psychology, confidence, and growth. This is ClarityGrit. Stay strong, stay clear, and keep growing.